Have you ever heard the expression actions speak louder than words? I'm pretty sure that you have. I'm pretty sure that you've heard it from a teacher, a relative, or a parent, or probably a significant other. But have you ever heard of it in public speaking? Hello everyone. My name is Melissa Fisher, and today I will be speaking to you about how our actions can negatively impact our public speaking. And action. We hear it all the time. Actions speak louder than words. But do you know how harmful it can be when our actions can deadly impact our public speaking? Here's some ideas of what that can be. First, your appearance. How are you when you step up on the podium? Are you dressed nice? Does it look like you just rolled out of bed or came from the gym? If it does, turn around and go back and change. For men, men should be dressed in business attire, nice slacks, a nice button up shirt, a nice dress shoes, no baseball caps, no looking like we just woke up, rolled out of bed. And for women, make sure that you're dressed appropriately. Make sure, same thing, that you're in a business attire. You're in a nice business suit, a nice blouse, or nice business pants. However, if you are for women, if you're going to decide to wear a dress or a skirt, please make sure that it is an appropriate length and make sure your blouse is not too open or too see-through. You wouldn't want to give your audience members the wrong idea. Kathleen Bishop says in The Silent Signals, improve the way you look on the outside and you will improve the way you feel on the inside. And I have to agree on what she's saying because when you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. And I feel when you look good, you'll be able to deliver a great speech. Don't you think? Next is your posture. We all have it. We all have the nerves when we get up there, and our defense is to hold whatever our notes are and hold them in front of us and clutch onto them or cross our arms around our body or keep our head down. That is one way that we're not going to have our audience member receive the information that we've worked so hard to deliver to them. So make sure if you are going to have any notes or anything in your hand to keep them by your side or to actually just kind of set them on a podium. You don't want to have that distract you on your speech. Make sure that you stand tall, your shoulders are back, your head is up. Be ready to deliver a great message and be ready to receive the questions because hopefully that's what you want, that you're able to deliver a great message and that your audience will want to ask questions afterwards. So remember, head up high, shoulders back, and have great posture. Next is eye contact. We all have that, and it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to make that eye contact when you're in a room full of people that you don't know. I can remember, and I can, from personal experiences, being in meetings and being in seminars that, I'm always paying attention to the speaker and I'm always looking at them in their eyes. However, they notice that and they seem to stick right on me because they know that I'm looking at them and we're looking at each other. But eye contact is, you don't want to make sure that you're giving that unwanted eye contact. Make sure if you do make eye contact with an audience member that it only lasts for about 3 to 5 seconds. You don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable like some speakers do make me feel when they lock eyes at you. You don't want to give them the wrong impression. So make sure that you are scanning your audience, that if you do make eye contact with somebody, make that last for about 2 to 3 seconds and move on. Remember, not all of your audience members will give you that direct one-on-one eye contact, but please make sure that you are giving them that eye contact. Eye contact can be used to control your audience members or to make connections with your audience, which is so very true. You could control them by looking around and letting them know that, hey, this is the information that I would like to inform you about. So make sure that you're continuing to move your head around in the scan and to to stay in eye contact with your audience. Next is your enthusiasm. Now, when you go out there, again, we all are nervous and we are trying to either sell something, inform somebody, and make them knowledgeable on the information that we have processed. So remember, make sure that your tone of your voice is high pitched and you have a smile on your face and that you are ready to deliver a great message. Remember why you're there. Remember that that's what you're there for. And your audience does matter. Always remember that. Even sometimes you won't get the positive feedback that you might think you need, but your audience does matter. Enthusiasm comes from within. It takes a lot of propel it and keep up the momentum. Remember, keep up that momentum, says Kathleen Bishop. Remember, class, to watch your actions because your actions speak louder than words and you want your words to be heard. So remember, head up high, shoulders back, have great posture. Remember to be enthused. Remember to scan your audience and also remember to be enthused, but also to remember that you're there for a reason. You're there to deliver a great message. Always remember to dress the part. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And remember, your actions do speak louder than words.